Okay, here it is. It's Easter time. And that means Peeps, amongst other things. Now, why do people get Peeps? This is why. So we take the Peep. Isn't he cute? We're gonna take the Peep package. Come on, Peep. We're gonna put him on the plate. Peep on a plate. Into the microwave.
There he is.
And we'll put him on 2 minutes. Let's see what happens. There he's going around. He's going around. Oh, is something happening to the Peep?
The eyes can see it.
Is something happening to the Peep? Oh. What's happening to the Peep? The Peep is growing. Oh my goodness. What will become of the Peep? Oh my goodness. Is it a Peep anymore? I don't know. It's been 45 seconds. And our Peep definitely looks different. I don't know if it's a Peep anymore. It's something, I'm not sure. Shall we stop it?
No, let it keep going.
Well, it hasn't changed much. I say we stop.
Okay, stop.
But that's what became of the Peep. Here's what it started with. Oh, the poor Peep.
Its eyes.
Here's its eyes, or what's left of its eyes. Should we do it again?